Google just dropped Gemini 3, and the internet lit up. Even OpenAI's CEO tweeted congrats. The future of AI? It's officially here. Imagine pressing one button and instantly getting a website, a video game, a universe, and even an entire operating system. Not tomorrow, not later, right now. This is not software. This is not magic. This is Gemini 3, a creation engine for everything you can imagine. Let's begin with something simple, a website. Normally this takes designers, developers, planning, and hours of work. But with Gemini 3, you describe what you want, and a complete website is generated automatically. Layout, colors, copywriting, navigation, responsive UI, all created from a single prompt, zero shot. From idea to reality in seconds. But what if you want something more complex, like a game, a 3D retro-style spaceship shooter? You simply ask. Gemini 3 writes the engine, builds the 3D environment, designs assets, and launches a playable prototype. Instantly, a complete game created from a single prompt. This isn't coding assistance. This is full-scale game generation. Now imagine drawing an idea, just shapes, boxes, icons, and Gemini 3 recognizes it, then transforms your sketch into a real interactive operating system. Your rough drawing becomes a functional digital interface. You sketch the idea, Gemini builds the experience. And now, coding evolves. Introducing vibe coding, a new way to create through mood, motion, and visuals. You shape your ideas like art, and Gemini turns visual vibes into real code. Coding feels less like engineering and more like creativity. What about science? Explain nuclear fusion, the reactions, the physics, the behavior of plasma. And Gemini builds a real-time, accurate simulation. Complex, scientific concepts, visualized like never before. No matter what you imagine, a product, a story, a design, a tool, Gemini 3 turns raw ideas into something you can touch and use. Prototypes, designs, apps, animations. If you can think it, it can build it. Hand. Upload a research paper, and Gemini transforms it into an interactive website. Summaries, charts, navigation, visuals, all generated automatically. Knowledge becomes easier to explore, understand, and share. Want to see the universe? Gemini 3 generates 3D models of galaxies, planets, stars, and cosmic structures, giving you a guided tour of the cosmos. It's like holding the universe in your hands. You describe it. Gemini builds it. Characters, apps, stories, simulations, interfaces, anything becomes possible. This isn't just better AI, this is a new generation of intelligence, one that builds, creates, reasons, and understands your ideas at every level. Even in playful voxel worlds, Gemini shows deep reasoning, planning actions, solving puzzles, and explaining every step. One button, infinite creation, from websites to universes, from sketches to operating systems. This is the future of imagination.